Florida FCCLA. My name is Peyton Thomas, and I currently serve as your State Vice President of Parliamentary Law. This month, Florida FCCLA is highlighting the national program student body. This is not just a program for students, but for advisors as well. FCCLA offers 8 peer-to-peer educational programs to help students develop real-world skills for life within family consumer sciences education. Each national program is designed to be integrated into the FCS classroom to help reinforce lessons with opportunities for hands-on practice. Some of these national programs include Career Connection, Community Service, Families Acting for Community Traffic Safety, Families First, Financial Fitness, Power of One, Stand Up, and Student Body. These programs include lesson plans, activities, curriculum, and project ideas that can be used in the classroom. Whether within a chapter or school-wide, students can make an impact using the FCCLA planning process to plan and implement all national program projects. Have you ever heard of the expression, "You are what you eat"? In many ways, it's true. Healthy eating pays off both now and in the future. It's important for youth to understand as early as possible that they need good nutrition to live their best lives. Good nutrition helps teens control their weight, maintain energy, ward off illnesses, and so much more. The benefits of a life of fitness are endless. We all know that we feel better when we're active, and the health benefits go on and on. It's never too late to invest in fitness. It can also be fun and doesn't have to cost a cent. Teens need to understand the importance of taking charge of their health and their level of fitness. Young people can discover and practice how to be healthy, fit, real, and resilient. The Student Body Program helps members learn to make informed, responsible choices for their physical and mental health while also providing opportunities to teach others. The teen years are an ideal time to establish healthy attitudes and habits to last a lifetime, which is why Student Body gives members the facts and incentives they need to build a healthy body. Curiosity is a great start to creating an FCCLA project. Here are some questions members might ask themselves to identify student body concerns and project ideas. Choose the questions you think will intrigue your students. Then, after answering the questions through brainstorming activities, investigate related needs, interests, and concerns. After that, it's time to use the FCCLA planning process to plan a project. Thank you for attending. We hope you can establish student body initiatives within your classroom. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to info@flfccla.org.